Hi, I'm Marcus. Welcome to our first Earth Day Assembly. We are so excited to be here.
Hi, I'm Brianna. Today is a great day to think about how each of us can help the Earth. I think we could start by cleaning up all this trash.
Well, don't do that yet. I think our first act might need it. Please welcome the JGS Student Council with a skit about reduce, reuse, recycle, written by Addison Acevich.
The story starts with the Lorax Meadow.
I just wish people could pick up their trash.
Yes, I know.
Who are you?
I'm the one who should be picking up all this trash.
No, I was here first, and I'm going to get all the credit for it.
The Lorax and Mr. Recycle have a continuous fight about who should get this job.
Hey guys, how's it going?
Terrible. There is so much trash to pick up.
A lot of it is recyclable. Unfortunately, most people don't recycle. Take these plastic water bottles, for example. In the United States, 60 million plastic water bottles are used each day. Sadly, only 30% are recycled. That leaves a lot of bottles that are just thrown away.
That's really sad. What should we do?
First, we should use reusable bottles for water. Did you know that the water play stations that we have at our school have reduced single-use plastic bottles by over 43,000 bottles?
That's very exciting. Way to go, JGS.
What else can we do?
Next time you go to the store, bring your own bag. Did you know that one reusable shopping bag can save 500 plastic bags from being dumped in the ocean? That's good news for the sea turtles because they die when they eat the plastic bags.
Whoa, plastic bags really hurt the environment.
Really? Yeah, would you believe that it takes 1,000 years for one plastic bag to biodegrade, even in landfills?
Yeah, out of 100 plastic bags used, less than 3 are recycled. That's really too bad, because I heard that plastics that are recycled can be turned into really useful things like clothes, rugs, or materials, even toys.
Recycle. We should work together to pick up this trash. It seems like too big of a problem just for one person.
And remember,
Unless someone like you cares a